Hello friends, welcome to our Mr.Professor GK English channel. So let's start your first question today. Which bird has no wings? Option A peacock, option B parrot, option C duck and option D penguin. So the correct answer is option D penguin. Question number 2. What is the mixed with milk to sharpen the brain? Option A ice, option B banana, option C eggs and option D almonds. So the correct answer is option D almonds. Question number 3. Which vegetable does not spoil for a month? Option A okra, option B pumpkin, option C potatoes and option D tomatoes. So the correct answer is option B pumpkin. Question number 4. Rabies is caused by the bite of which animal? Option A dog, option B cat, option C mosquitoes and option D lizard. So the correct answer is option A dog. Question number 5. From which animal was the wool obtained? Option A rabbit, option B goat, option C sheep and option D cow. So the correct answer is option C sheep. Question number 6. Which animal can see with its eyes closed? Option A chameleon, option B tortoise, option C fish and option D snake. So the correct answer is option A chameleon. Question number 7. The most intelligent animal after human? Option A snakes, option B dog, option C dolphins and option D chimpanzee. So the correct answer is option C dolphins. Question number 8. Which river is the holy river of India? Option A Ganga river, option B Yamuna river, option C Kaveri river and option D Godavari river. So the correct answer is option A Ganga river. Question number 9. Where was Virat Kohli born? Option A Agra, option B Delhi, option C Bihar and option D Gujarat. So the correct answer is option B Delhi. Question number 10. Which part of the human body does not burn in fire? Option A teeth, option B hair, option C kidneys and option D nails. So the correct answer is option D nails. Friends, you like this video, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's meet in the new video. Thank you so much.